How to fix Steam Game Won't launch in Windows 10. There are several factors that can cause this particular problem, ranging from a poorly optimized game to corrupt game files. In this latest video installment of our troubleshooting series, we will tackle the Steam Game Won't launch in Windows 10 issue. But before performing any of the recommended troubleshooting steps in this video, it's best to restart your computer first. This action refreshes the operating system and remove any corrupt temporary data that could be causing the problem. First, try running the game in compatibility mode. This allows you to run the game in a different version of the Windows operating system, which could fix the problem. To do this, first go to your Steam directory. It is usually located on your drive. C Programs Files x86 folder, then Steam folder. Then inside Steam folder, click on Steam Apps folder. Then click on Common folder. In here you will find a list of games installed on your Steam. Next, select and click on the game that you are trying to launch. Then, right-click on it and then choose Properties from the drop-down menu. At Properties section, click on Compatibility tab. Then check the box Run this gaming in compatibility for. Then select Windows 8 from the drop-down menu. Then click Apply to apply changes made. Then click OK to exit Properties section. Next, check if the Steam Game Won't launch Windows 10 issue still occurs. Next, delete the app cache. There's a possibility that the app cache might have corrupted data, which is causing the problem. To do this, go to the Steam installation folder. By pressing Win+R button to open Run dialog box, then at Run dialog box type this, then C:/Program Files x86/Steam, press Enter or click on OK. Then look for a folder named App Cache. Right-click on it, then select Copy. Next, go to your desktop, then right-click to select Paste. Go back to App Cache folder, right-click on it, then choose Delete it. Next, relaunch Steam as an administrator. You can do this by right-clicking on Steam shortcut on your desktop and then choose Run as Administrator at the drop-down menu. It will start downloading the missing files. Next, check if the Steam Game Won't launch Windows 10 issue still occurs. Lastly, check the computer time and date. If you recently updated your computer operating system, then there's a chance that this problem is caused by a wrong time and date. To do this, type Control Panel at the search bar on your Windows. Then click Control Panel Result from the list of icons. Choose Date and Time, then Date and Time window opens. From the three tabs, choose Internet Time and click on Change Settings. Check the dialog box which says Synchronize with Internet Time Server. Then click on Update Now. After clock was successfully synchronized, click on OK to exit. Then click OK to exit Date Time window. Next, restart Steam and check if the Steam Game Won't launch and Windows 10 issue still occurs. After following the steps mentioned, you have successfully fixed Steam Game Won't launch in Windows 10. I hope that this guide has been helpful. Please support us by subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell.